How to use DaVinci Resolve for YouTube videos. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and create a new project by clicking New Project and giving it a name. Then head to the Edit tab. This is where you will do all your editing. Then go to Settings in the bottom right to choose your timeline resolution. Select timeline resolution and set it to 1920 by 1080 for Full HD. This is the resolution for YouTube videos and make sure your video looks clear. Then import your video clips by dragging them into the media pool or using the import media option. This keeps all your files organized. After that, move your clips to the timeline at the bottom. Use the cut tool to trim or split your clips. This helps to remove parts you don't want. Now, add smooth transitions by dragging a transition effect from the effect library to the timeline. You can also add text or titles by clicking the Titles tab and choosing a style. Change the text to match your video. To improve how your video looks, go to the color page. Adjust brightness, contrast, and colors to make it look better. When ready to export, go to the Deliver page. Choose the YouTube preset to get the best settings automatically. Finally, click Add to Render Queue, then Render All to save your video. And that's it. Now you know how to use DaVinci Resolve for YouTube videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.